mosaic recreation of Claude Monet's Water Lilies pond with Japanese bridge, inspired by the master who has been my preferred artist for many years. The mosaic measures 1.8 by 1.5 meters and is made from limestone and marble pieces. Being a passionate horticulturalist, when Monet purchased the land in Giverny, on which this pond stands, in 1893, it was for the purpose of building something for the pleasure of the eye and also for motifs to paint. Being very near to his home, this allowed Monet ample time to observe and create the masterpieces we know and love today. In the summer of 1899, he began a series of 18 views of the wooden footbridge over the pond, completing 12 paintings, including the one we see here in the mosaic.